Welcome back. Today, I'm bringing you something really special. We're in the heart of Aroostook County at 1350 Masardis Road, and this one's a true Maine treasure. 145 private acres with a handcrafted timber frame cabin and barn, both built by Kennebec Timber Framing of Albion, Maine. Now, before we step inside, let me paint the picture. This property sits almost a half-mile back from the road. You've got privacy, you've got peace, but you're still connected to grid power. It's the best of both worlds. The cabin itself is a 20 by 36 high-posted cape with a half-loft and cupola built in 2010. Those wide roof overhangs and the covered 12 by 16 porch aren't just charming, they're practical too, giving you the perfect place to sip coffee on a misty morning or watch a summer rain roll through. Inside, you'll find warmth and craftsmanship in every detail. Classic timber frame character that feels like home the second you walk through the door. But that's not all. Just steps away, there's a 24 by 36 timber frame barn with a 10 by 36 lean-to, all on a concrete slab. Whether you need space for equipment, a workshop, or recreational gear, this barn's got you covered. Now, let's talk about the land. Nearly 10 acres of fields right around the structures, with the rest a beautiful mix of hardwoods and softwoods. The owners carved out miles of interior trails, perfect for ATV rides, snowmobiling, cross-country skiing, or just quiet walks in the woods. Wildlife? Oh, it's abundant. Deer, turkey, even the occasional moose. Bird hunters? You'll love the grouse and woodcock here. And seasonally, you can forage for wild blueberries, mushrooms, and your own hand-trimmed balsam fir Christmas trees. This isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle. A true Maine retreat where you can unplug, connect with nature, and still enjoy the comfort of a modern build. If you've been searching for privacy, adventure, and a property with unlimited potential,